I have no idea what's in here. Again, let's unzip the zipper. Ooh, this is just one knife. Label still on there. It's from Cuccileria Deportiva Sport Cutlery Choker, Empresa Artesana Craft Company. It's a beautiful bushcraft knife. It comes with a Kydex sheath. Nice big loop here that fits every belt. It's attached like so, very comfortable to carry. Here, that is great. That is a screw, and you can use it to adjust the retention of the sheath. Great feature. I wish more knives had that. Main attraction of this one is the beautiful micarta handle. I hope you can see that. Small red liners. Flawless. No micrometer that you can feel anywhere. It's completely smooth. Super nice chimping here. Choker links, and it's Böhler N695 steel, made in Spain, of course. A beautiful blade. Also fits my medium to large hands rather well. And this would still be my favorite bushcraft knife to this day. I have a couple of those, that's why this one still has got the label. But the thing is, I really like bigger, longer blades. If you prefer the shorter bushcraft knives, beautiful knife. Good grip, nice micarta, very smooth, great chimping, also enough resistance here so cannot slip onto the sharp edge easily by accident. That's a flaw of many bushcraft knives. Awesome knife. Let's put it back into the sheath, and I really love the retention setting mechanism.